the 2026 Czinger 21C Black Edition, a car that doesn't just redefine speed and style, but completely rewrites what's possible in modern automotive engineering. Built in California, this hypercar represents the future of performance and technology, blending cutting-edge design, hybrid power, and handcrafted precision into one breathtaking machine. Today, we dive deep into everything that makes the 21C Black Edition one of the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet, from its sculpted carbon fiber body and futuristic cockpit to its mind-bending performance numbers and price tag that screams exclusivity. From the moment you set eyes on the Czinger 21C Black Edition, it's clear you're not looking at an ordinary supercar. The exterior is a stunning display of aerodynamic artistry. Every surface, every curve, and every intake has been digitally optimized for speed and stability. The Black Edition takes the already extreme look of the standard 21C and adds an even darker, more aggressive aesthetic. The carbon fiber body is finished in a deep matte black coating that absorbs light and exudes menace. Gold accents around the aero edges and wheels contrast perfectly, giving the car a stealth fighter presence on the road. Up front, the design is sharp and minimal. Narrow LED headlights pierce through the darkness, while the huge front splitter and air channels guide air precisely where it's needed. The canopy-style cockpit, inspired by fighter jets, gives the car its distinctive look. It's a single, central glass dome that tapers perfectly into the flowing body lines. From the side, you see the car's signature inline seating layout, a driver in the front, passenger directly behind, a configuration rarely seen outside of race cars. Massive dihedral doors lift upward dramatically, revealing a blend of technology and craftsmanship that feels more like a spacecraft than a road vehicle. Around the back, the Czinger 21C Black Edition is pure aggression. The enormous active rear wing and sculpted diffuser dominate the rear view, working together to generate immense downforce. Twin titanium exhaust outlets sit high on the rear fascia, glowing with heat when the hybrid powertrain comes alive. The tail lights are razor thin and integrated beautifully into the aerodynamic structure. Every element here serves a purpose, merging beauty and function seamlessly. Step inside, and the futuristic feeling only intensifies. The Czinger 21C Black Edition interior is built around the driver, both physically and emotionally. The inline seating arrangement places the driver dead center, creating a perfect balance of symmetry and control. The carbon monocoque tub is exposed in certain areas, reminding you that this car is engineered for extreme performance. Materials are top-notch. Alcantara, carbon fiber, brushed aluminium, and custom-milled titanium are everywhere. The design philosophy is minimalist but high-tech, with every control precisely positioned. The digital instrument cluster wraps around the steering column, providing real-time data on speed, battery levels, boost pressure, and G-forces. The steering wheel itself is multifunctional, inspired by racing design, and houses all key driving adjustments. A small central touchscreen allows for customization of performance settings and driving modes. The seats are ultralight and sculpted perfectly for track use, but surprisingly comfortable for longer drives. The passenger seat, placed directly behind the driver, ensures the car's aerodynamics remain perfectly balanced. There's very little room for luggage or luxury extras. Everything here is dedicated to the art of driving. Now, let's talk about what really makes the Czinger 21C Black Edition so extraordinary. Its performance. Underneath that sleek carbon body lies a hybrid powertrain that combines old-school combustion power with next-generation electrification. At its heart is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, entirely designed and built by